Welcome to my channel, 3 Classroom Tips. Today's clip discusses the task of writing. Think, draw, write. I have always loved teaching writing to my primary grade students, and through the years, I've used many models of the targeted and current strategies like Step Up to Writing, the famous hamburger and sandwich graphic organizers, the OREO, and the plethora of T charts. I have used them all. The following simple tips have helped me get those blank, puzzled stares off the red line pages and start pushing their pencil. Tip number 1, think. Students must have a reason to write because most of them don't like it, nor does it come naturally. At the onset of introducing the writing process to your class, you must help students to think and identify a topic that's familiar and unique to their interest. You don't want to start off with a cold writing activity about, let's say, the rainforest if they have no background knowledge in it. Frustration and apathy will set in and hinder their creativity. Tip number 2, draw. Some teachers think that students must leave the illustrations for the last, seeing it as a reward for their hard task of writing. I disagree because young students need to visualize first. They need to have a purpose for their writing. Allowing students to draw first acts as a picture rough draft. If students are able to organize their thoughts and see their freely expressed details, then the writing part will come together quicker for them. Tip number 3, write. Use a tri-fold manila folder or folded plain white paper as a type of interactive notebook. Once students have completed their illustrations and their details are labeled with their new applied vocabulary, they can now begin the drafting process of their writing. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing.